So, hello everyone, my name is Pratik and I welcome you in this new video. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Google search in and out. So, I'm just going to back upload every video. So, basically, I have like a number of sheets about Google search, starting from keyword research, then audience, then targeting, then bidding, in and out. I'll try to cover as much as I can because there are many important things. Obviously, I'm going to also give you a sample how to launch a campaign with the help of Google Ads Manager. What are the objectives? What are the campaign types? What is primary goal, secondary goal? What are conversion action? What is auction insight? Everything. I will try my level best to explain you guys. So before starting this video, I just want you to know that maybe there are number of videos which are going to come because I'm not going to complete like every single topic in one shot because that is not going to be productive from my end as well as from you as well. So let's do it. At the end, you will, if you feel that I will be able to somehow add value to your knowledge, then please do like this video and comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Let's move to the first. Okay. So, first of all, let's talk about search ads. So, there are two types of marketing. Okay. Pull marketing and push marketing. Pull marketing, when a user searches for a product, brand, services, and sees an ad. And push marketing, when a user is not actively searching for a product, brand, but still sees an ad. Let's understand this with an example. In Meta, in Facebook, Instagram, you are not searching for any particular product, but you still somehow sees an ad. So that is an example of push marketing. Whereas there are mediums such like Amazon, Google, in which you are actively looking for something. Like in Amazon, you are like best laptops, yeah, HP laptops, Lenovo laptops, boat headphone, noise smartwatch, shoes, Adidas shoes, Nike shoes. So basically, you are actively searching for a product. So that is come under a pull marketing. It's in Google as well. You are looking for a product. You are looking for something when you come to Google. So there are two types of marketing, pull up marketing and push marketing. Now you know what is it. Now normally pull marketing we follow PPC model, pay per click model. For example, if I search best laptops under 25,000, okay, and HP laptop sponsor result shows on the first spot. I'm not if I haven't click on that ad, let's say, and move to scroll down and click some other ad, then what happened? HP laptop, Google will not charge from HP laptop because it will charge only if I click on that product. So it will follow PPC model, pay per click model. That is what it means. Now moving to the, see, you can see this is the example of search ads, like the sponsored is written. Now what is the meaning of absolute top of the search? Okay. So this ads which appear in the very first position above organic result, we called it as the absolute top of the page. It is as simple as that. Now top of the page ads. All ads which appear above organic ads are considered as a top of the page ads, as you can see in this picture as well. Now moving to the understand the Google process, how Google is going to process. So basically, when a user comes and search for something in Google search engine, then on the basis of the search query, Google identifies what are the advertisers that are bidding for that particular keyword. Now, after that auction happens under a milliseconds, and whoever wins the auction, Google will show her ad in that search in the result page for the user. So, first understand about Google auction. Process by which Google decides which advertiser would be able to show the ad and in which position. So whenever someone asks you, what do you mean by Google auction? It is a process by which Google decides whose ad has to be shown or not. Basically, it is a process in which Google gives ad rank to different advertiser for their keywords. Okay, now QBD, QBA. It is basically you can understand it like a way. This is a formula used by Google to decide the ad rank. Okay, QBA, QBA. It is sound like that. So Q quality score, B bid, and A ad format. Let's understand what do you mean by bid. Highest amount an advertiser is willing to pay per click. Then moving to the quality score. Rating between 1 to 10 given by Google to the keywords that we are targeting in our search campaign. Okay. Then ad format. Additional information displayed alongside the ad. Under quality score, there are further three major types. So what is it? LAE. LAE. Landing page experience, ad relevance, and expected CTR. Let's learn it. Ad relevance. How relevant your ad is to the keyword that you have added in the campaign or to you or to what a user is searching for. For example, if your search term is influencer marketing course, headline is get influencer marketing course. So it is relevant. Okay. So you should basically your headline, your ad copy should be relevant to the user that shows your ad relevancy. Now, expected CTR is the CTR clickability of your ad, addition of USP of discount offers. These are some of the ways which you can increase your clickability. At landing page experience of a user once they have clicked on your ad and landed to your website. If your landing page experience is below average, you should follow this step. Ensure that ad and landing page is in sync with one another. Check the loading speed of the landing page, error 404, unclear CTM. If CTR is below average, improve your ad copy, addition of hook, ad format, USP, discount offers. If your ad relevance is below average, include the keywords and search terms in the ad copy. These are certain steps which you need to follow if you want to increase your quality score. So basically, no, just for a fact, I wanted to share that normally if you don't have that much budget, okay, then advertiser do try to increase their quality score because at the rank help us ad rank is basically calculated bid into quality score. If we can't increase our budget, we won't be able to increase our bid. So it is better to increase the other part, the quality score. And landing page experience, ad relevancy, expected CTR is somehow help us to get better conversion and better ad rank as well. So it is an advice. Go and try to include this in your ad copy. Moving to the user journey. So search, Google auction, click, website result conversion. That is what happens. Now I'm not getting into the metric part because as you can read it by yourself, it is not that difficult. Just reading the what do you mean by actual CPC? The amount you actually pay per click is generally same or lower than the bid amount, whereas bid amount is the maximum amount that we are ready to pay. So, as we all know, actual CPC is not the CPC. For example, if you bid for 14 rupees and the other competitor is bidding for, let's say, 11 rupees. So, Google is not going to charge you for that keyword is 14 rupees. It is going to charge you 11.01. That is how this will help. Now, moving to the keyword research. Uh, so, keyword research basically let's understand about keyword and search term. People do confuse about these two terms. So keyword is basically advertiser centric. What an advertiser is including in its campaign, the keywords that are the keywords, and search term are the queries that a user is searching on the search engine. So I hope now it's clear. Now intent, there are three types of intent: informational, review, and transactional. Transactional are the purchase intent. Informational basically has the like information intent as well. Review is like comparison when the user is trying to compare like best phone under 25,000. This QD has an info like a comparison review intent. Now moving to the keyword research. How will you do it? So basically there are certain steps which you need to follow. First, keyword research. In Now there are three ways to do it. Go to the landing page views website, try to pick the relevant keywords. Try then brainstorming with Google. Like you can go and check. People also ask, and people also ask search for sections. Google auto suggest. Then you can also visit to your competitor's website. Try to pick the highlighted uh, keywords. So these are the three ways. After that, you go to the Google Keyword Planner, use the Discover section of Keyword Planner, and try to expand your seed keywords. And then negate or analyze on the basis of high search volume, relevancy, and stuff like that. And then there are certain things which you will analyze, like average monthly search, 3 month change, year on year change, top of the page bid, top of the high bid, low bid. These are certain stuff which you will follow. Now talking about the bidding. So see, I'm not going to cover this is the end part. I'm just covering the bidding, and after that we will end this video. And the next video is going in the next video. I'm going to cover conversion action and ad extension and option insight. So now first let's cover the bidding. So bidding, what do you mean by bid? Maximum amount that an advertiser is willing to pay per click. Okay, quick recap. Factor of ad rank, bid into quality score into ad format. Quality score further divides into three parts: ad relevancy, expected CTR, and landing page experience. We already did learn about this in the keyword research part as well, in the introduction maybe. In bidding strategy set, normally bidding strategy set at a campaign level, bid amount set at a ad group level, budget is set at a campaign level. So basically, bidding strategy and budget set at a campaign level, but if you need to bid amount like a target bid is set at an ad group level. Just make this thing in your mind. There are two types of bidding: manual and automatic. In manual there is one called as manual CPC. We can specify to Google how much we want to pay per click. Okay, like at 10 rupees. Advertiser has a full control over this bidding. In this bidding, talking about this bidding, it is an holding bidding strategy. No algorithm will use by Google. Insights are involved. Insights are not involved. Not recommended by Google. The advertisers, only few advertiser will use it only when new advertiser restricted high budget. Basically, if you have a budget constraint, you have a lot of past data, so you can prefer manual CPC. The second, now coming to the automated. In the automated, there is a maximize clicks. If you want people to just visit your website, understand your product, interact with your product, then you will go with the maximize clicks. Google tries to get as many click as possible within the given budget. CPC are lowest, CVR as lowest. Advertiser has a minimum control. Though Google will maximum possible clicks, it doesn't comment on conversion. Google will not take responsibility on that part. So normally to drive traffic on blog, when a product has been launched, movies, trailers, stuff like that, people do choose this bidding. Now moving to the maximize conversion part. Third, in maximize conversion, Google tries to get as many conversion as possible within the given budget. CPC is higher than maximize clicks. So basically in this now Google is trying to get as many conversion. Even if a CPA, cost per acquisition, is higher, Google will try to spend the entire budget. Because now Google is trying to aim only those customers which can convert, which has the ability to get converted. So Google is trying to do that. When you want to when you want to get conversion that no, no specified cost, then you will prefer maximize conversion. Then maximize conversion value. Google tries to get as many conversion value as possible. Now in here, Google is trying to maximize the conversion value, the amount, the revenue part. In Whereas in the above one, Google is trying to get maximum number of people get converted. So in the above one, the focus is on number of people, whereas right now in the maximum conversion value bidding, the focus is on the revenue part. Now talking about the target CPA bidding, Google tries to get as many conversions as possible within a given budget and within the target specified cost. For example, let's say if you give TCPA 15 rupees, in a way you are saying to Google that I'm just been able to pay 15 rupees to get one conversion, not more than that. So Google will try to and manage with the help of his algorithm to try to spend that much money for getting a conversion. If Google is not able to achieve the target, it will start declining the campaign. You will be left with underutilized budget. That is something what will happen. Now talking about the last two bidding, TROS, Google tries to get as many conversion value as possible within the given budget and revenue and within the specified target for ROAS and ROAS percentage. In this, even if my ROAS is lower, Google will spend the entire budget. If Google is not able to achieve the target ROAS, it would start to decline campaign. You understand the ROAS, right? Return generated divided by ad spend. Let's say if my ROAS is 5, what I am telling to Google, I am just telling to Google that if my I am spending 100 rupees, I should be able to attract at least 500 revenue. Okay, that is what TROS we will choose for. Now talking about target impression share, specify to Google how much impression share you want to achieve in your campaign. So basically, in a way, we are talking to Google algorithm that we need certain on a particular keyword we need a certain impression. Like for example, in digital marketing course, I need 30% target impression share. For example, every time, every 100 query that has been searched on this keyword, 30 times my ad should be present at that page. So that is what we do target impression share for. Okay. Now, talking about things you should know: conversion value, ROAS, impression share. Example, what is this impression share? Most important. Okay. So talking about the conversion, number of desired actions like orders, add to cart, page views. Conversion value you are able to get out of the conversion revenue. In here, conversion focus is on the orders. Here, focus is on the revenue. ROAS, return on ad spend. Okay, we understand that. We do know all about this. In impression share, brand. Okay, it is focused. Okay, so I'm moving to the next sheet. Basically, I'm going to end this video and start a new video. So I'm not sure how much time I took. Hopefully it is not more than 20 minutes. Let me see, guys. Yeah, it is just bang on 19 minutes. Let's say 10 seconds. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. Moving to the second, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, see you guys, amigos.